making ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Don't put me there. Full story. An old man passed away, and he always said he didn't want to be buried at the family plot. Against his last wishes, his family still made arrangements for him to be buried at the family plot. His grave was dug, and everything went as planned. On the night of the setup, the place stink like something rotten. The food stink up too. At the funeral the next day, the grave full of water and there was no rain. All dem bail out the water, it still can't lessen. The deceased man's big son, his favorite, had to go to his casket and beg him to allow them to bury him. The water started to go down, and that's how they got to put him down. While he was being lowered into the grave, the rain bust. Him dream him son and tell him say him lucky him beg him, or else him wouldn't go in that grave.
Like and follow for more.